Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Ann Maina, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. May God bless you. Give this video a thumbs up, comment. So guys, today I decided to buy myself something we call a vacuum cleaner. Yeah. So jana, let me tell you something guys. Jana, so mi nikatoa carpet. This carpet ukiangalia si chafu. But kuitoa kwenda kupeleka pale nje vumbi nayo, and nikaona hapa there is a problem. There is a problem. Ladies, you need a vacuum cleaner. So nikaingia pale Instagram, nikaona people are advertising this vacuum cleaner. Mungai Eve was advertising it. So nikasema let me try it out because it's say on offer. You can go to Villa Household. Yeah. Instagram unaweza ipata sasa wako on offer, sijui inaisha lini. Sasa wako on offer. I got it and I want to try it. I'm not that fast kind of a person who buys things online, but let me hope itaweza. So guys, let's open this cleaner together. So guys, the moment of truth is here. Okay, I hope nitaweza connect. I'm not a good connector or what. I hope nitaweza connect guys. The good thing that it's gonna instructions, so I hope this will make my work easier. Because me and the connections are, and my manager is not around. So this one. That mimi naona nikishinda ku connect sasa hizi ni gani sasa. Connect the handle with the cleaner. Connect. White tube has protruding part of silver cord corresponding. Okay. So this is the all right. Direct insert the handle into the handle hole until clock sound. Then sound is hard. If you want to disconnect them, press and release the button. If you want to disconnect, press and release the button. After hapo, connect the cleaner with the brush. The cleaner. This thing. uchafu. Please insert the vacuum. Okay. This one here. I'm just okay. So I hope you are doing that. Jaribu ku connect. I've connected this, and I think this one is a spare one. Hizi bado sijajua ni za wapi, but this one nilikuwa nimeona on their page ni ya kuvuta uchafu huku kwa viti hivyo. So as we continue tutajua hizi ni za wapi, but meanwhile as you can see kuna kamba mrefu, and you might think, as I was telling you, ukiangalia kapeti yangu unaweza fikiria si chafu, but jana niligonga hivi na mti, and it was a mess. So let's give it a trial and tuone how efficient this thing is. So unawaka, unaiwasha tu kama ni mrefu, so you can do it on your carpet, your seats. Yeah, vumbi sana. I wanted something to sana juu ya watoto. If you have kids, if you have a carpet, not even kids, if you have a carpet in your house, you need a vacuum cleaner. Kama see here exact, you need a vacuum cleaner. So let's try this one out. Well, imagine for only that period of time, angalia uchafu yenye iko hapa. Look at the amount of that. Angalia. Guys, look. Angalia uchafu. And mark you, nimefanya for just like 1 minute. Hapa tu. That's why I'm telling you, you need a vacuum cleaner, guys. For only 2 minutes. Hata 2 minutes sijaisha. 1 minute. Nimefanya tu hivyo. See the amount of uchafu iko kwa kapeti yangu. That's why, guys, I'm telling you, you need this thing. If you need a clean house, you need a vacuum cleaner. So, guys, go check it out. Go check this. Nimeipata kwa Villa Household Kenya. So wagamwaga mkate hapa, assuming the kids had done that. Let me vacuum and see how hii kitu inafanya. Kama ni ukweli, unajua carpet inaninyonya vumbi kabisa. As you can see kuna vumbi nini. Let's see kama itanyonya hii kitu. So mmejionea the seat is clean. Ndio hizi mamikata tumemwaga. So guys, I think it's a yes for me for this vacuum cleaner. Sana nilikuwa naitaka juu ya carpet, vumbi nini, and it has done me justice. It's cheap. It's cheaper than most of most of the vacuum cleaner, affordable. Go try it out. Nimeipata kwa Villa Household Kenya. So uangalie uone itakuwa aje. It has a very very long kamba. Kamba yake ni mrefu and I'm loving it already. So let me vacuum my sitting room, my carpet in the bedroom and in the kids' bedroom, and even my seats. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel and join the family. We're still road to 1,000 subscribers, and let's maintain peace. Peace, guys. Peace.